Okay, we got a super vacuum here. Or, not vacuum.
Blower.
The opposite. Blower? Blower, yeah, let's call it a blower.
Okay, ready?
No.
First
Look at all this fur. We're gonna have a tornado soon.